Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to vibrate your calls in silent mode on your iPhone running iOS 18. So if you put the phone on silent mode, however you want it to vibrate, then let me show you how you can do this. So first you want to go into settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see sounds and haptic. Now from this menu here, go ahead and find haptics, tap on it. And now here, you want to go ahead and choose play in silent mode. So make sure that's selected. As it reads, haptic will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert while in silent mode. So now when you go back to your home screen, whenever you get a call, the phone will vibrate, however, no sound will be created. So there you go guys, that is how to vibrate your calls in silent mode on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.